baler given to us, so we're just picking it up right now, and that's Greg driving away with it. We'll have more. Oh, there, I can zoom in. I don't video with my camera very much. I'm tailing him home just to make sure that he gets home. So that's pretty cool. That's a Massey Ferguson. I don't know anything else about it. Whoops. It's just the guy across the street. That baler has been sitting for 30 years. His father parked it 30 years ago, and that's where it stayed. How's that? See, he's got that hooked up with a drawbar.
Good day. Welcome to Dime at a Time. I'm Greg. It's kind of hot out, that's why I'm wearing my these clothes. It's muggy out here. Today, this is a baler. This is a Massey Ferguson 124 baler. I got it from my neighbor. It's a freebie. He said if his dad was using it and parked it, and it had been sitting for 30 years. And usually when you park something outside for 30 years, it's pretty much done. What kind of saved me, saved this whole project, or this baler, at least his dad was meticulous. He kept it clean. That was for me from trying the baler. But I pulled everything out. So he took out all the straw, he left no straw in it. He cleaned out the chute where the ram is. He cleaned that all out. There was no straw in it, so it never rusted up. So that's actually in good shape. So far, I spent $40 in chain. The one for the pickup reel was broken. We put a new one there. That chain was broken when I got it, so I put a new chain in it and to make it feed. There's another chain in here which drives the pickup reel. It was broken. It broke, so I had to change this one too. But when I changed it, I was 6 inches too short of putting a chain in, so I had to go back down and get another piece. There's another chain in here. This one here. This is the original chain. This is to the knotter. I squirted it down with WD-40. This chain I have to change it right away. I'll change those out. This one is not bad. I just have to take that cover off and cut it, and long enough I don't move the position out of it. I just want to change it to put a new chain in it. There is another chain I have to change. I should change it.
Oh.
And this one here. This one actually doesn't look too bad in shape. This is the main drive for the pickup, the arms that swing, and the thing for the needles. And of course the plunger is driven right off of that directly. But as far as that goes, this chain's actually not in bad shape. doesn't look too bad, so I might use it for this year. But otherwise it worked not too bad. Everything just seemed to be working okay. Everything was decently clean in here. Didn't put anything, making any videos of changing the chain because everything's all in blind spots. I can't film it anyways. I got to get some new twine. Some of the sisal twine that was in here, it was older, 30 years old, so it didn't want to keep on breaking on me. Well, if you can look at the package, you can expect how.
Okay, just a sec. What does that say now? I don't want to get too close.
Baler twine.
Huh.
I don't even know what the age of this stuff is, but it's old.
Show me the. Yeah, there.
Let me put my glasses on. I wanted to see if there was an actual date on here. No, there was 4 rolls of sisal twine. Top of it's fine, but the bottom's all rotten. So you get up to there, the knot breaks, or the line breaks. There was 4 of these in there. Like, it's still actually not bad shape, except the bottoms is all rotten. So I'll probably get new sisal twine for the baler. I'm debating about going to plastic or staying with sisal, so I don't really know. Somebody said if I go to sisal I have to readjust the knotters on it, but when I look at them there's no adjustment to them, so I don't know what they're talking about, so we'll have to see.
I'm gonna be right back. Looks like we have a calf where a calf is not supposed to be. Now, see the calf? Baby's not supposed to be in there. We gotta go get her out. So this is part of our land. We don't often come in here, at least I don't. It's spooky. Okay. These calves are not friendly to us, but it's okay, baby. It's okay, baby. Okay, you need to go right back through the barbed wire, sweets. Yep. Yep. Okay, so there's the calf. I mean, at this point, I'm just ready to let the calf stay here. It'll find a way out. No, you're pushing it. What are you trying to do? See, it's backing up. I don't think we're gonna get it out of here.
I will. Just...
Boy cows, this is what you get with a boy cow. Well, there's no such thing as a boy cow, right? It's a bull. Little bulls. Where'd he go? See? Greg chased him through the fence. He's probably off to see sister and mom. His mother is not very attentive. She is behind that the bull there that's standing there. She's behind him in the corral eating. No care in the world that her calf was missing. I love cows. All right, let's go back to where we should be. Okay. We're gonna go see that middle one. There, that's the other calf. They have grown so much since they've gotten here, it's unreal. Basically, see, there's his mother. Basically, she leaves all the other cows, for the most part, to do her babysitting. And for some strange reason, they all take turns babysitting, except for today. There's a lot of pasture available to these cows, but for some strange reason, they come back here. Well, they have to come back for water. We don't have a setup for water out where they are, so they always come back for water. And while they're here, they eat. We're hoping she's with calf. That's Jamie. We're hoping she's with calf, but not likely. She's extremely jealous, aren't you, Jamie? Hey, baby love. Hey, baby love.
Oh, you kind of saw the fun of a homestead. You're starting to do something. You got to go chase after a calf because it can't get out and it's wound his fool head off. Well, that's normal.
Even though it put itself there in the first place.
Well, it's to get him out and everything else. That's just pretty much normal. So this one, everything looks to be pretty good shape. Like this one's actually in better. Like this wheel rolls, like it's tight. Like this thing is, it has a, I wouldn't want to get my finger caught in here, because that would be an awful pinch. So that actually looks like it's gripping good. I don't think there's nothing stuck so barely underneath it. Yeah, it clips good. that's right. Yeah, that's so. The only other thing I'm thinking of is this: it was just dirty. Dirty in the respect that old string. We're recycling it and kind of knotted up it a few times, kind of really badly. So, but otherwise, that everything looks pretty much. That all looks pretty clean. Yeah, that looks all pretty good. If you like this video, please subscribe. Put your comments down below because I like to read them. If you know any other things about these knotters and stuff on this baler, please leave me a link, and even if you do a little video and show me, I'd appreciate to see it. Otherwise, take care and have a good one.